Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how to share tweets on Snapchat Story on Android. So let's pick one tweet right here. So let's pick this one. And what you will have to do here is really simple. Now there are two ways how you can do this, how you can add tweets on Snapchat Story. Now the first way is, click on the share button here and then go to Snapchat camera. And this will actually share the whole tweet, as you can see on my keyboard. And you will see the whole tweet, right? Now, if we want to exit out of it, we can click exit here, right? And then what we can do is we can also go to Snapchat or to Twitter. We can go to three dots here, or actually we can go to share button and then copy link, and then we can copy link. We can screenshot the story or just put the story here. Then go to the link section, paste the link. Click on the link, right, and then attach it to a story, and this is how it will look like. So personally, I really like the first way of doing it. So you can do it in the first way, or you can do it, the second way I showed you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below and comment down below for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.